is something you should remember when you are in a Vietnamese meal. The first thing is that Vietnamese people usually use a bowl and a pair of chopsticks in their meals. And they hold the bowls very close to their mouth. And during the meal, if someone wants to stop for talking something or for resting, they should place the bowl and the chopstick on the table. And Vietnamese people usually use both of their hands when they want to pass the dishes. Thank you. Meals in Vietnam are typically served in family style, and then the dipping sauce is used by everyone on the table. And if you are having a dinner with Vietnamese people, try to finish everything on the plate. Do not really let anything left. And once you have finished eating, rest your chopstick on the top of the bowl. And lastly, when you use toothpick, please cover the mouth.
Well, I think the table manner in China is very similar to one in Vietnam. So you can apply all of that when you have a meal with a Chinese partner. Thing I can add is that you should never point the chopstick at another person, or you suck the chopstick, or you bang the chopstick like a drummer, or to wave the chopstick around. Another thing is that when you pick a food on a dishes, you never put back that food onto the dishes. And when you pour drink for people, you should pour for another person before you do it for yourself. I think that's all.
Okay. Some Spanish tables manner are: should always keep your hands visible when eating, keep your waist resting on the edge of the table, use utensils for almost all food, even if
I want to talk to you about some table manners in the American. Firstly, you should never put your elbow on the table because it is very impolite. Secondly, chew with your mouth closed and never talk with mouth full of food. Thirdly, if you want to answer the phone, you need to excuse and leave the table. And lastly, never throw the food on the floor.